calling lists are an effective part of an outbound calling system. Calley Web Panel allows you to manage these leads effectively. If you want to import leads, you can do that using a standard import in a Calley personal account. If you have a list of 100,000 leads that you want to import, or you want to use a Google Sheet integration by which you can have an automatic transfer of leads from a Google Sheet into your Calley account, you can use that using the Power Import feature available in Calley Web Panel. If you have already created some calling lists, then you can manage that using this particular section. If you have scheduled a call in future, let's say you have called someone and that person says that, call me after 2 days or after 3 days, then that is a call which is scheduled in future. Now, if you want to see that particular list of numbers that you have called and scheduled for a future date, you can see that in the check scheduled call section. In case a lead has turned cold, maybe a scheduled call wherein the user said that I'm not interested in your services anymore, or I'm not interested in the offering that you are giving me, that goes into the cancelled call section. Calley mobile app also gives you options to be able to log incoming calls. You can log them in the mobile app, and the details that you have logged will be shown in the incoming call section in your web panel. Calley allows you to manage a DND list. You can do that by 2 ways. DND or DNC are the similar things, do not call registry. You can do that using an import function, wherein you can import a list of numbers that you do not want to be called. Secondly, you can also mark a number as DND while making a call. So let's say you call someone by mistake who told you that he is part of a DNC registry or a DND registry, and you do not want to bother that person in future. You can do that by marking that number as DND, and it will automatically be added to your DND list. I hope the features available in Calley Web Panel will help you manage your leads effectively, and you will be able to make automatic calls using Calley Automatic Call Dialer.